Hi viewers, today I've also come with a new topic as my everyday routine. So today I'm going to share with you on the topic that is how to self-lonely. But the topic main name is that self-study, the self-study tips. So in the self-study tips we can know about that this self-study is one of the important work because many of you read lonely. No parents live with him in especially in the maths. In the maths you read lonely. So there are some kind of tips which can help you. So let's know about those kind of tips. Do you know that these tips are so much well because sometimes when we go outside then we have to read lonely. So there we need those kind of things. Now in this place I am topping all the matters of the self study. So let's know about the tips. Tips number one: make concentrate on your lesson. Step. Now tips number two: make a chart on lessons. Which lessons will you do fast? And number three, when you do these lessons, then become attentive on which kind of work you have to do there. Means concentrate on the lesson. So this can also help you as one. What you want to do. Now, after that, you have to choose a specific place where you can read every day. This can help you for good finding any kind of object. Now, if we need pen, then what we need? Now, where is the pen? If we again change the places of studying, no problem. Now books. Now there is a books. So then you have to find out where is my book. Problem. But if you make one kind of a specific place, then you can also get all things perfect. No, I have a chance of writing, and also there are pens, books here. No problem. There is a skill. Take the skill. Make a geometry. So it can make you more attentive on study. So do you know that in the study time, sometimes you have also should read some kind of funny things which can make your brain refresh. And at the study time, drink some water. That the sleepy mood that doesn't come. So do you know that in my home there's also we can make a lot of classes on that, but how problem? So that's why the internet is there. Internet can give you any kind of math solve and any kind of topic solve and what you want, all are there. So let's know some kind of things that you can easily get in the internet. So URL and software is good, and after of that, but URL is also getting on the Google or Samsung. So after that, you can know about Google Chrome. Chrome browser can also solve your all questions, all theory. If you forget a theory, then you can search on that. It will must give. Take a personal computer that you can use those kind of apps. But the best is YouTube. But why I have to tell that best is YouTube? Because in the YouTube you are getting a live classes and also normal classes. But how? In the YouTube, check. I need this kind of work and I have get a problem or not a problem. You don't. Now, if you doesn't know about fraction, you read in class 6. Think that. So then you can search that class 6 math book and not class 6 fraction of math. It's all enough. Then it can help you easily to do any kind of math. They will do that, and after that you can easily understand on that. So how are the tips? So I have given you a lot of tips, 5 or 3 or 6. This kind of tips can help you most. And do you know that in the tips number 7 and or I didn't count that, I only tell. And do you know that sometimes we have also to play, because playing is a refreshing things. And do you know that some kind of topics we become bored. What to do fast? A lot of work. Choose which is easy. Make a list on that. Do fast which are easy. That can help you on doing any kind of work easily. Then remain a little, and after that, do another experiment on that. What the experiment? But if you also think like that, they're the same, then I can tell you. This experiment is that you have to find which topic is hard but small. There's also a lot of kind of topics which is very hard but a little small. Do these things first. Save your time. Because time and tid wait for none. You can understand that. Time and tid wait for none. So you have to save your time as you can. So how have you become so much good to know about those kind of topics? Comment. And do you know that I mean, in the topics of this kind of, we can also know about many kind of ecological power. Not ecology. How can I understand you? So later tips. Now, if you become bored on a topic, change that again and again, again and again, again and again. Change and change. Which help you for this kind of work. Yes, mostly. And do you know that there is also another kind of work. That is when do you become thinking on a matter, recently search on YouTube, Google, or another kind of browser that can help you as a time, and you can know that all in this time. Yes, sometimes you can see in the YouTube some contents of cartoon, movies, but avoid that at a studying time. And after that studying, see a little if you want. It can make your mind fresh, but don't so much. Don't so much. Because when you do very of that, then it will catch your mind. So try to avoid that. Cartoons, video games, and also a lot. So I just read this was our topic today. So if you want to get more vlogs like that, follow my YouTube channel. You know that in my YouTube channel you can get a lot of kind of things like that. So by the way, I'm still my vlog here. Bye. See you in the next vlog.